Hi Robert, it's Randy here from Randy Cycle Service and Restoration, and we've got your engine on the test stand, and in a few moments we're going to start it up for you so you can hear it run. Now for those of you who are following our projects, this is standard procedure for any engine we rebuild. We put it on our stand, run it in, test it for oil pressure, synchronize the carburetors, adjust the timing, and then everything's set to go into the frame when you put the engine back in. In this case, this is a Honda CB750, but it has been bored to an 836 cc overbore. So we've done a few upgrades as well, open air filters, Dyna electronic ignition, and basically got this thing ready to go. So we're going to take a look here as we fire it up. It's on the stand, hooked up, everything's ready to go. Key on, and here we go.